The word planet originally is a Greek word which means wanderer. Planets are so called because they are always in motion around the sun. So all planets basically revolve around the sun along a fixed path that is known as your orbit. The gravitational pull of the sun keeps them in their orbits within the solar system. Here you can see there is an information given that all the planets except Uranus and Venus rotate from west to east, and only Uranus and Venus rotate from east to west. So we all know that there are 8 planets in the solar system, that is your Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now we are going to discuss it one by one. Let's see first your Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it is said that it is visible to us either just before the sunrise or just after sunset. It is also the smallest planet of the solar system. Its orbit is very short and it takes 88 days to complete one revolution. Next is your Venus. Venus is also one of the hottest planet in the solar system due to the greenhouse effect in its atmosphere. So it is also called as morning star because it is the brightest object in the sky, obvious apart from the sun and moon. Okay, so it takes 255 days to complete one revolution. Now we are going to discuss about our planet, that is the Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. It is also known as watery planet or blue planet. As you can see in the picture, it looks blue because 71% of its surface is covered with water, and it is the only planet in the solar system which has conditions required to support the life. Also, it takes one orbit in 365 days and 6 hours. Now look at Mars. As you can see from the picture, it looks red, so it is known as red planet, as the iron oxide prevalent on the surface give it a reddish appearance. And it takes its complete orbit in 687 days. Next is your Jupiter. It is one of the largest planet in the solar system. It takes one orbit in 11 years and 11 months. That is almost your 12 years. Next is your Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system and it has over 1 lakh rings around it, and these rings are made up of dust particles. Okay, you can also say that it is made up of frozen gases and ice particles also. So there are 32 known moons of Saturn. Okay, so it takes 29 years and 5 months to complete one revolution. Next is your Uranus. It is the third largest planet. It completes one orbit in 84 years. So it is the first planet that was discovered with the help of telescope, and the person who discovered it was William Herschel in 1781. So it is made up of gases and it has rings around its equator, but these rings cannot be seen from the earth as they are black in color. So it completes its one revolution in 84 years. Now let's discuss the last planet, that is your Neptune. Neptune is also very similar to Uranus. It is also called blue giant. It was discovered in 1846. Okay, so this planet has 3 rings, and it is considered as a twin planet of Uranus, and Neptune has 13 known moons today. It takes 164 years to complete one revolution around the sun, and it is told that it is one of the coldest planet from the of the solar system. Next is your dwarf planets. So there are many dwarf planets in our solar system like your Pluto, Makemake, Haumea, Eris, etc.